Ah. Ay, ito specialist. Kaya naman po.
Alin? Oh, dito mo na.
Ha?
Go, kakanta ka! Ay, si Fred,
Fred,
Fred, kanta ka. Fred,
Ha?
kanta ka.
I know, and it might have ended right in the fire. Just a passing glance, just a brief romance, and I might have gone on my way behind. It was fascination, I know. Seeing you alone the night alone. Then I touched your hand, and the next moment I kissed you. Fascination turned to
Ganda na music. Ganda pa ng view. Yan, kantay mo.
It was fascinating.